As you're working on classwork, homework, and taking a test for hands-on equations, you might find it helpful to use the digital set. You have created a copy of it from Schoology into your Google Drive. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial of how to use the digital set. Let's say I have this equation 2x plus 5 equals x plus 11. You can see you have your number cubes along the tray here. You have your blue pawns and your white pawns here. So if you want to drag a pawn, you just simply click and drag it to whatever side of the equation you would want. In this case, I wanted 2 x's and another x. To drag a cube, click in the upper left corner of the cube to select it, and then you can drag it up to the tray as well. You can drag it back down when you don't need it. So here I need a 5 cube. And then again, I need another pawn and an 11 cube. When clicking on the cube, it's best to click in the upper left corner. Then just to remove them, you can just drop and drag them back down to the infinite cloner. And that's how you use the digital set.